Hi CGC family, this is Sunidhi from CGC Unfiltered, and guess what time it is of the year? It is that time of the year when excitement is in the air, freshers are in the flare, and we, CGC Mohali, is all set to host the induction program 2025 NextGen Nexus. So तैयार हो जाओ to turn the first page of your college diaries because this is just blockbuster style. So from academic insights to cultural delights, we have packed an induction with so much learning, laughter, and some very influential people. So curious what's happening when? Well, let me walk you through all the dates. Freshers, note down all the dates. And the grand celebration doesn't end here. Why? Because we are kickstarting your college life in the most unforgettable way. From 29 July to 5th August, have a look. Alright, so get ready for the induction program 2025 in CGC Mohali, and this is Sunidhi signing off. But before I go, I want to tell you that this is not just an orientation or induction. This is a total transformation from your school to college vibes, to classroom monotony, to campus magic. Welcome to the world of new dreams, direction, and a very successful career. For more information related to induction, please visit our page www.induction.cgc.ac.in.